Blgmind Recovery College, Walking with Nature, with Stuart Bartlett and Sally Baxter. First we start off with a mandarin duck. It's a male mandarin duck, very colourful. At the moment it's eating some seeds that we threw in. These were taken at Kelsey Park in Beckenham. Now we see into view the female come into view. The female is very grey where the male is very colourful. In the summer the male looks similar to the female because it loses its colours, and in autumn and winter and spring it starts getting its colours back and loses them again in the summer. There's more males here than there is females. This is a little egret, and it's shaking its leg, trying to stir up the mud, and you'll see it catching fish. They've got bright yellow feet. There you go, it's just eating a fish. This is the same egret but slightly different video. A little while later it went out of shot. This is an Egyptian gosling. You can see the parents coming into shot now. Again taken at Kelsey Park. We have a grey leg goose. I've left the sound in this because it was really noisy. And this is a cormorant drying its wings after it's been in the water. Again at Kelsey Park. Behind it is some mallards, male mallards. This is a Highland cow taken at Ainsford. This is another cormorant. This is taken at Blue Water. Again, it's got onto a rock and it's drying its wings. Behind it there's a couple of mallards washing themselves. Again, they're male mallards. And coming into shot now is a grey lag and a Canadian goose. And there's a coot as well just behind it, and a mute swan's coming along now. It's going to swim behind the cormorant. A couple more coots coming into shot. And some more Canadian geese. This is a grey heron. I don't know what it's looking for, but they eat fish and some mammals, small mammals like rats. So it could be looking on the bank for a rat. Occasionally they eat voles as well, but you probably wouldn't see a vole in blue water. This is the Blue Water Nature Trail. This is another cormorant. I've slowed this down so it's 50% slower speed, because now it's going to take off and fly across the lake. It's quite fascinating to see how they run to get up the speed to fly. You see a few gulls. There's some Canadian geese in the water there as well, just flying past. This again is a blue water. That's the end of the video, and now I'm going to show you a few pictures. Some of the pictures I've taken while we've been on the Walking with Nature walking groups. Start with a little grebe and a mute swan, a dragonfly, a hoverfly, a wood pigeon, a wood duck, and a squirrel. There's an Egyptian goose with its goslings, and some more goslings, and that's a little grebe of a fish.